So, the way we used to do things over here was every single cart was set like this. Several rows behind it, several rows going down. It didn't work. Every job we did that they would take apart, they would fill a cart, push it somewhere, grab the one right behind it, fill that up, push it somewhere. And as the day went on, every single empty cart was pushed somewhere else. They were in the aisle, they were stuffed away. It was a nightmare. So this morning, trying to clean up that nightmare, it just came to me to put one cart the old way and put the rest in a different direction, all in one single file down through. I didn't even have to explain to them what I had done, and they immediately adapted. They were already grabbing empty carts and pushing them right here. They know the system now to fill a cart, push it out of the way, put it where it needs to go, and grab the next one and pull back to here, fill up, push out, so on and so forth. Much leaner, much cleaner, saves about 15 minutes of my day every day not having to fix all that.